Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As per usual, I'll get to it. An analysis of this sketch so far. I'm really quite happy with the results. It wasn't too difficult to try and capture, however the hair was quite involved. It went different ways, and the nose was a slightly different shape, so that's why it looks slightly different in both of them. I made it far too long in the second one, along with the actual head and face shape was far too long compared to how wide it is. So that's why the ratios don't actually look quite right in that one. And number 3 is slightly too squashed, I would say. But overall results, I'm really quite happy with. My ratios, good speed, structure and everything is all improving. Yes, I do have the odd slip up where I don't quite get an aspect correct in the structure, but every day's a learning day, and this is how I am perfecting or correcting the skills and actually keep the momentum going. Thanks guys.